WTF is TCO, and what exactly goes into it? In business, this stands for total cost of ownership, and it's a big deal when talking to customers about enterprise IT services. In this video, I'll explain what TCO is and a few scenarios where you might come across it in conversation during the buying process. So TCO is a financial metric used to assess the complete cost of a technology solution over its entire life cycle. It typically includes things like initial setup costs, ongoing operational expenses to keep the technology actually working from day to day, and then long-term maintenance, which is the ongoing improvements you need to make to the technology to keep it not only working day to day, but in its latest version. One scenario you'll run into TCO is when customers are evaluating on-premise versus cloud systems, because one typically involves buying equipment and managing it yourself, while the vendor is responsible for everything, managing it, maintaining it, and ensuring the services work properly. Here are a few things that are going to go into a TCO calculation. So the first is going to be CapEx versus OpEx costs. Another one, hardware costs. The third, maintenance and upgrades. Fourth, scalability, security and compliance, energy and facilities, and the IT staffing needed to support the technology. All this is going to help show not what is less expensive up front and what might look cheaper on paper, but the true hard and soft costs of an IT solution over the course of when it's being used, which could sometimes be 3-5 years or even longer. This is something we help companies with for data center or network projects, unified communications, and call center projects. So message me if you want a TCO spreadsheet that'll help make this a lot easier for you and ensure that you're covering the right things as part of your evaluation. So hopefully this helps next time you're talking to a client or a colleague about TCO of enterprise services. You won't be stuck asking yourself,